It took some time to discover where to begin. After you pierced my soul and peeled back my skin, I'm surrounded.
Hello, today I have the pleasure of welcoming you to the stunning Villa Las Brisas.
Everything I touch turns to gold. My heart is still wild. People crave to watch me fall.
This gorgeous 7-bedroom villa sits on 4,000 square meters of garden and is steps away from Pampelonne and your favorite beach club.
Take your love, you plot it down in black and white.
If you enjoy living a healthy lifestyle and doing sports, this villa is the perfect fit for you, with its infinity pool, gym and tennis court. As the evening begins to settle in, the charming lights of the villa switch on and the magic continues under the stars.
I'm surrounded.